Hello YouTube friends and followers. So I'm replacing the ABS brake controller on the ML320 ML500. This is a 2005 ML500 and this is the ABS brake controller. I've managed to pull off all of the brake lines. There's 6 of them. There are bolts that hold this thing on from the back, so instead of pulling this thing out of the bracket, you probably want to take out these little bolts here, which I'm trying to get a picture of one of these for you. That's the motor bolt. Okay, this bottom bolt here that the camera's shining on, that's the one you want to get out. There are 2 of those on either side of the pump motor attaching to the bracket, which has 3 grommets going into the frame. If you can avoid taking out the bracket, I would take out those 3 bolts, or 2 bolts on the pump. And as you can see, this pump is kind of flopped over, so it's about ready to come out. You can pull the connector off by pulling up on that tab all the way, and that connector comes off. So that's about it. This has been a terrible job. These lines are really hard to get off, and the job just makes a big mess. So I'm hoping the new brake controller works. And here's how I get the plug off. You just pull up on this plug. I'm doing this in the dark with a headlamp. It's peaceful in the dark in a parking lot. There's no one to bother me at night, so I don't want to have people asking me what I'm doing in a parking lot fixing my car in a hotel. Anyway, you can pull straight up on this plug. Just pull it straight up and that lifts off. I can't do it with one hand. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.